Cake pops were a brilliant invention to make the cake more convenient and fun. I am Hannah, and today I'm blogging with food. I am excited to share with you not just the joy of making cake pops, but also tips to make the process as smooth as possible, even for beginners. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all our delicious content. Let's kick things off with the ingredients and tools you will need for this cake pop adventure. You will want to gather pre-baked cake, flavor of your choice, frosting, homemade or store-bought, lollipop sticks, melting chocolate in variety of colors, sprinkles or decorations. Now, tools you will need: mixing bowls, spoons or spatula, parchment paper, styrofoam block or cake pop stand. Step 1. Start by crumbling your pre-baked cake into the crumbs. This is where the fun begins. You can use your hands or a fork for this step. Step 2. Now, add frosting gradually to the crumbled cake. The frosting acts as the glue that holds everything together. Be cautious not to add too much at once. We are aiming for a dough-like consistency. Step 3. Time to get your hands dirty. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls. Keep them uniform for a polished look. If the mixture is too sticky, lightly dust your hands with powdered sugar. Pro tip for sticky mixture: if you found the mixture too sticky, don't panic. Simply refrigerate it for a bit to make it easier to work with. Step 4. Now insert lollipop sticks into the cake balls. Be gentle but firm to ensure they stay put. This step sets the stage for the iconic cake pop look. Step 5. Time to melt the chocolate. Use a microwave-safe bowl or a double boiler. Stir frequently to achieve a smooth consistency, and be cautious not to overheat. If your chocolate seems too thick, you can add a small amount of vegetable oil and stir until it reaches the desired consistency. Easy fix. Step 6. Dip each cake pop into the melted chocolate, ensuring they are fully coated. Gently tap off any excess chocolate. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Step 7. Before the chocolate sets, add your favorite decorations, sprinkles, edible glitter, or whatever your heart desires. Get creative and make each cake pop uniquely yours. And with that, your cake pops are ready to steal the show. Adorable, right? Thank you for joining me on Blogging Good Food. Your cake pop journey doesn't end here. Share your delicious creations with us on social media using #BloggingGoodFood. See you in the next one.